Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Now I am going to discuss April 26th current affairs. Here is the first question. Name the first state in India which has software based in-house virtual court facility. The state is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh becomes first state with a software-based in-house facility of virtual courts in Adilabad High Court and in all district courts of UP to hear cases through video conferencing as there is a lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. If you talk about UP, its capital is Lucknow and Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath and Governor is Anand bin Patel. UP is also in news. It has launched two portals. That is, first one is Annapurna portal. It is used to help people and to get knowledge of food products and packets. And second one is Supply Mitra portal. It helps to provide free home delivery of edibles. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The Department of Economic Affairs DEA under the Ministry of Finance has notified changes in FDI policy 2017 or amended under Foreign Exchange Management Act FEMO. The FEMO is originally constituted in which year? It was constituted in 1999. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The Department of Expenditure under Ministry of Finance has frozen which allowances for 1.1 crore employees and pensioners due from January 1st, 2020 to fight COVID-19. This is dear allowance and dearness relief. Actually, government has announced a 4% increase in DA for its 50 lakh employers and 61 lakh pensioners to 21% effective from January 1st, 2020, which was rupees 27,100 crore, but it will not be paid. The employers and pensioner will continue to receive the current rate, which is 17% till June 30, 21. The government released this hike DA and HRA due from July 21st, 2021 will take into an account. Okay, moving ahead to next question. What are the sections that are suspended by government in IBC? Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 for 1 year to avoid insolvency proceedings. Those are section 7, 9 and 10. Okay, moving ahead to next question. What is the coal production target of the country for the financial year 2021 as per Union Coal and Mines Minister Prahalad Joshi? It is 710 metric tons. Okay, moving to next question. Name the scheme which was launched by PM Narendra Modi on the occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day on April 24th, 2020. Also launched E-Gram Swaraj portal and mobile apps. It is Swamitva. On the occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day on 24th April, our PM Shri Narendra Modi has launched the Swamitva scheme as well as an integrated E-Gram Swaraj portal and mobile app for accelerating the pace of development in villages towards digitalization. Okay, present Ministry of Panchayati Raj its headquarters located in New Delhi And Union Ministry of Panchayat Raj is Narendra Singh Tomar. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The Union Minister Harshvardhan has participated virtual interactive sessions with Health Minister of World Health Organization countries. What is the number of member countries in World Health Organization? That is 194 members are there in World Health Organization. Okay, its headquarters located in Geneva and Switzerland. Its head is Tedros Adhanom. Okay, moving ahead to next question. To which Indian state World Bank approved rupees 585 crore for upgradation of roads and modernization of public works department? That is Himachal Pradesh. Capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla and CM is Jairam Thakur and Governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Which insurance company has partnered with smart health company GoQII to launch preventive health care platform named Bajik GoII Copay Operation? Answer is Bajaj Alliance General Insurance. If you talk about GoQII, its headquarters located in Menlo Park, USA. CEO and founder is Vishal Gondal. Headquarters in India. It was located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. If you talk about IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, its headquarters located in Gachibowli, Hyderabad, and chairman is Subhash Sheikh Kuntia. Next question. SIDBI has launched special liquidity schemes to support MSME during lockdown. Where is headquarters of SIDBI located? It was located in Lucknow. The full form of SIDBI is Small Industries Development Bank of India, and its chairman is Muhammad Mustafa. Chairman is Muhammad Mustafa. Okay, moving ahead to next question. 3 panchayats in Jammu and Kashmir has got recognition in Panchayat Awards 2020 on occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day on April 24, 2020. Who is present Panchayat Raj Minister? He is Narendra Singh Tomar. Okay, moving ahead to next question. India has participated South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation SAARC Health Ministers Conference. Name the countries who hosted the conference. It was hosted by Pakistan. If we talk about SAARC, that is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, its headquarters located in Kathmandu, Nepal, and members of SAARC are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. The Ministry of Shipping has given its consent for reconstitution of 16-member National Shipping Board NSB recently. Name the person who heads NSB. She is Malini Shankar. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the company which has acquired 3.36% share in Hinduja Leyland Finance Limited. It is Ashok Leyland Limited. If we talk about Hinduja Group, its headquarters located in London, UK, and founder is Paramanand Hinduja. Ashok Leyland CEO is Vipin Sondhi. Hinduja Leyland Finance CEO is Sachin Pillai. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Caladium Investment and affiliate of Sovereign Wealth Fund GIC of which country has increased its stake in Kolkata based Bandhan Bank by 1% recently? It is Singapore. If you talk about Bandhan Bank, its headquarters located in Kolkata, West Bengal, and MD and CEO is Chandrasekhar Ghosh, and tagline is आपका भला आप सबकी भलाई. आपका भला सबकी भलाई. Its tagline. Okay, moving ahead to next question. What is the name of military satellite which was launched by Iran recently? It is Noor. If you talk about Iran, its capital is Tehran and president is Hassan Rouhani and currency is Iranian rial. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Native Furry is the military exercise between United States and which country? That is UAE. UAE is United Arab Emirates. It consists of 7 cities and its capital is Abu Dhabi and its currency is UAE dirham. President is Khalifa bin. Okay, moving ahead to next question. When was the World Day for Laboratory Animals observed annually? It is observed on April 24th. The World Day of Laboratory Animals has been observed annually on April 24th, associated with Lab Animal Week, that is 20th to 26th. It is mainly to detect the movement to end sufferings of the animals that are used for testing in the laboratories around the world and replace them with advanced scientific non-animal techniques. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The National Panchayati Raj Day was observed annually on April 24th. The day marks the passing of which amendment of Constitution? It is 73rd Amendment. Under this 73rd Amendment Act of 1992, three-tier structure of Panchayati Raj has been implemented. That is districts, mandals and village levels. And also it provides transfer of responsibilities and tax powers from the state government to Gram Panchayats. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The International Girls in ICT Day 2020 was celebrated on April 23rd with a theme Expand Horizons, Change Attitudes. The day is celebrated generally on 4th Thursday of April. The International Girls in ICT Day is celebrated every year on 4th Thursday of April. This year it is being observed as 23rd April 2020 based on the theme Expand Horizons, Change Attitudes, with the aim to encourage girls and young women to consider careers in the path-breaking field of information and communication technologies. If we talk about International Telecommunication Union, ITU, its headquarters is located in Geneva, Switzerland, and Secretary General is Holland Joao. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.